How to change age in CapCut starts with an important distinction. The official guidance documents an age appeal, not a normal birthday edit field. If an age warning appears, use the documented appeal route in the mobile app. CapCut does not use one universal age limit for every location. Its guidance says eligibility depends on regional rules and account information, so the result can vary by country or region. If you can log in, edit, and export videos without interruption and see no age warning, CapCut says your account meets the local requirement. In that case, no additional action is usually needed. If a message says you do not meet the age requirement and you are logged out, treat it as an account access issue rather than an ordinary profile setting. CapCut says the account may be scheduled for deletion. Before starting an appeal, protect important projects and files. CapCut recommends downloading important data before account-related action and keeping a copy while the appeal is reviewed. The official appeal instructions say to update CapCut to the latest version before submitting a request. This is the first preparation step when you believe the age decision is a mistake. Next, open the CapCut mobile app and log in to the affected account. The documented process is app-based, so use the mobile application when submitting this age-related appeal. When the age restriction pop-up appears, look for the appeal option. Tap Appeal instead of trying unrelated profile controls because this is the action named in CapCut's official instructions. After choosing Appeal, follow the on-screen instructions to complete and submit the request. The public guidance does not promise a particular verification method, so follow only the choices the app presents. Once submitted, the CapCut team reviews the appeal. The request is for cases where you believe the age decision is incorrect, not for bypassing regional requirements. If the appeal is approved, CapCut says the account can continue working normally or remain active. That is the official outcome to look for after review, rather than an instant profile field change. If the appeal is unsuccessful, CapCut warns that the account can be deleted, with one page describing permanent deletion. This is why downloading data before or during review is essential. If CapCut already works normally and no age warning appears, do not assume you need to change anything. The regional guidance says normal login, editing, and export indicate local eligibility. For questions the in-app instructions do not answer, CapCut's official pages direct users to contact support. Use that official route for further help with age requirements or account access. To recap, update the app, log in on mobile, tap Appeal on the age warning, follow the on-screen steps, and download important data before review. CapCut's verified guidance documents an appeal route, not a universal direct birthday edit control.